If you have a house in Kent, Ohio that you're looking to sell fast, easily, and conveniently, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Payerchin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in and around Kent, Ohio. And in this video, I'm going to briefly explain on why people prefer to work with us as a direct buyer over working with more of a traditional buyer that has a real estate agent and is using some type of mortgage loan to buy your house. So the first reason that people love working with us is we're going to buy your house in Kent in its as-is condition. That means there's nothing for you to fix. You don't got to go to the Home Depot. You don't got to pull out the Windex and the paper towels and the mops and the brooms. You don't got to clean. You don't got to fix anything. You don't got to haul anything away. You can take with you anything that you want out of the house. Anything that you just don't want or don't need, you simply can leave behind. We'll take care of it for you, and there's nothing for you to fix. No repairs whatsoever, and there's no money out of your pocket. That's the big thing that you should know, right? When you're selling a house, you're looking to put money in your pocket, not have to get ready and fix the thing up yourself. So we're going to buy the house in its as-is condition. And what allows us to buy houses in their as-is condition is we're a cash buyer. So there is no lender. There's no mortgage involved. Now, not saying anything bad about traditional buyers, not saying anything bad about real estate agents. I'm just sharing with you the process. But if there's a traditional buyer, if they're represented by some real estate agent involved, that's commissions for you likely to pay. That's money coming right out of your pocket. And if they're using a traditional mortgage lender, they're going to scrutinize this thing. They're going to send a formal inspector through. The inspector is going to check every outlet, every light bulb, every light switch. And it's like they're going to find pages and pages and pages of things wrong with the house. They're going to look for anything they possibly can to essentially either make you contribute money to this thing or back out of the transaction. If they also, have a mortgage lender, they got to send the appraiser through, and oftentimes the appraiser is worse than the inspector. With us, there's no formal inspections, there's no formal appraisals or anything like that. It's just us and you. There's no third-party approvals needed whatsoever, and there's no commissions, no fees, and no hidden costs whatsoever. So, if you have a house that you're looking to sell in Kent or around Kent, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. Yes, it says Columbus in the website name. That's just because we were founded in Columbus, but we work with people in Kent and Streetsboro, and we're working with sellers all across Ohio, and we'd love the opportunity to work with you as well. So when we get on the phone, it's an easy conversation. We just need to know more about the house and then know more about your closing date. You get to pick the closing time frame. With a traditional buyer, the bank is picking the closing time frame. You're just sitting around hoping this thing goes through. With us, you tell us when you want to close, and we will accommodate your needs. And when we get on the phone, we're going to make you a fair cash offer. If our offer works for you, great. We will move forward and get this thing done for you. It's very simple, a very simple agreement. There's no fine print or fancy language. If our offer doesn't work for you, that's okay too. We'll shake hands, part as friends. There's never going to be any pressure or sales tactics or gimmicks and games, and no time wasted. We are local. We are not some foreign call center that's sending blast text messages, making random offers on houses. That's a giant waste of time. We're never going to waste your time. So if you have a house in Kent, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Payerchin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.